Match and Learn Busy Books for a Twin. Hindi na pinalagyan ni ma'am ng name sa cover kasi daw para daw ito sa kambal na girl and boy. Sets yung binili ni ma'am, nakaset na ito with discount. Dalawang set yung kinuha niya. We have here the beginning sounds and then alphabet transportation opposites. Kung gusto nyo pong mag-mix and match ng topics, anything na you need for school or for your kiddo, marami kaming topics na pagpipilian, and then pagsasama-samahin namin siya to make a busy book like this one. Ayan, may tie, may movable time, and yung mga velcro pieces niya, ipakita namin later. Another set na order ni ma, merong animal, and then may house puzzle. Ang maganda sa mga sets namin, meron siyang chart na pwede nyo munang pag-aralan. And then the next pages, yun naman yung parang test sheet or velcro sheet, parang busy books